First, I made a video that is disgraceful and demeaning.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video that is trending, that is new, and something that will hopefully be of interest to you. So, I'm sure you saw the last video that I posted that was about that 37-year-old brother that decided to go online after the curfew out on the road and go live and go disrupt the police force, and the Prime Minister ended up after, get reprimanded and all of these things. But now he has, issued an apology to the general public. So him and him lawyer can be seen in this video I'm going to show right now. And the brother look very much more somber, him look remorseful, him look like him regret exactly what him do. I do not know what kind of conversations him and the JCF members them have for bringing him to this point, but me just salute it. But yeah, pre the video.
My name is Alexander Shaw, attorney at law, and I represent Mr. Dane Mitchell. On Wednesday, April 1st, Mr. Mitchell made a video, and that video went viral. You would have seen via different media platforms that the video in which Mr. Mitchell said some disparaging things about the constabulary force, the Prime Minister, and it was very disrespectful to Jamaica, and he has now recognized the implications, the seriousness of his actions, and he has now taken responsibility and would love to tender an apology to the people of Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, as well as our Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness.
Yes, good evening Jamaica. My name is Dane Mitchell. On Wednesday, April 1st, I made a video that is disgraceful and demeaning. I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, to Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. My behavior was outright and disrespectful. The things I said is not worthy to repeat, but I want to say I'm very sorry for saying all those things. As a result, I want to sincerely apologize to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Prime Minister, the hard-working men and women of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And I want all Jamaicans to take this coronavirus, COVID-19, very serious and apply by the rules and regulations said by the Prime Minister. Alright, to all my friends, them family, loved ones, all over Jamaica, I want to tell them the truth. This thing is not a joke thing. It's very serious. The coronavirus, COVID-19 is very serious. When I made the video, I was just a joke. And I took it very seriously. I wanted to listen to what the Prime Minister work with the police, them staying on the house because this thing killing off people all over the world. Italy, how much thousands of people dead. We're supposed to know already. I tell them, they must try to keep us safe. I made a joke about it. And again, I'm very sorry and I apologize to the whole Jamaica, the JCF, and the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness.
I mean, okay, I guess it look like him mean it. I'm not really sure because I see him look down like him probably have one book with the notes down them footpath and him just there try to rehearse the little lines them. But him coming to it and I see an article put out, I think it was a Star or something, and they were basically saying that the residents in Jonestown, because that is where he was when him to do the video, did really a big theme and I hope say the government would be a little bit by the word name lenient and kind of give him a little blight. So maybe this is the little show of sympathy and empathy we might get right now. And it's not him alone. Recently there was a video, the things that them people here now would have realized what go on in terms of the curfew and on how strict the government is with the guidelines. But them people here decided that them still want for rave, them want for braff, them want for floss, and them take themselves gone from big beach party and once again gone live on the internet. Free.
People there, so. Oh, you think you can find me?
A few moments later.
DJ, one, two, no. Oh, no, the pankia. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven.
No, at this point in time, none of them something you're supposed to be a shocker. The police force is on the internet. People are informing right now just because of this whole thing that is called the coronavirus. So why you think so you would have been the exception? So you want to know, so when I guess them a leave from them big bad beach trip, you know the police them just kind of meet them on the road, and yeah, that was hard that. Because what happened though, even though they weren't outside of the curfew, that is like the 8 p.m. To 6 a.m., you're not supposed to have no public gathering of over like 10 people like that. Like, yeah, that's not supposed to go on. And so that is what they did in breach of. So let me know, Burritos, more for here in the comments. Do you think that the 37-year-old brother from Jonestown did talk about the police and the Prime Minister? Do you think him apology, you actually believe him what he must say? Or you think him just there go through the little motions and he will be back to normal by next week? And when you think about the other people them who decided to them go up on beach trip in the middle of this worldwide pandemic, sound off below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. What else no? Leave a comment, and if you're new to the channel, just subscribe. Just subscribe. Don't waste no more time. Subscribe right here, so. And see you next time. I still try to get the countdown to you, hopefully by weekend or Monday morning. So look out for that. Peace out.